So you want to start accepting payments on your website quickly and very easily. In this video, I'll show you exactly step by step how to enable PayPal payments on your Onhostinger website builder. So whether you're selling products or services, you'll be ready to go in just a few minutes. So now let me show you what you need to do. And if you find this helpful, make sure you subscribe and like this video. I really appreciate it. So what you're gonna need to do here is just to click on websites here, select your website that you want to add, that you want to enable online payments. And then what you're gonna have to do here is to make sure you click on here, online store. And then from here, you're gonna have to you can click on manage store. So let's click on manage store. Now from here, what we're gonna have to do is to go here to payments, click on payments, please. And now from here, please click on connect. So you're gonna click on connect. Now here, just enter your email, country, and click on next so you can connect a payment account to start accepting payments on Onhostinger International Limited. So that's basically it. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more and take care.